we are studying the lesson tenses. In the first video of tenses, we have studied auxiliary verbs and action verbs. In the second video, we have studied introduction to tenses, and now we are going to study all the tenses. In this video, we are going to study simple tenses. As you know, there are three simple tenses: simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. What is simple present tense? One auxiliary verb and one action is equal to one tense. So in simple present tense, no auxiliary verb is used. And we have studied that do and does is hidden there. So no auxiliary verb plus simple present form of the action verb is simple present tense. For example, I drive, we drive, you drive. This is what singular, this is what plural. You drive, he, she, it drives, and they drive. So this is what simple present tense. Most of the time you are using continuous tense. If you want to speak in good English, if you want to speak properly in English, most of the time you try to use simple present tense. It will make your language beautiful. Simple past tense. Simple past tense also no auxiliary verb plus V3. We have studied all these forms, auxiliary verbs, these V1, V2, all these we have studied. So in simple past tense, no auxiliary verb plus simple past form. For example, I drove. Here I drive, here I drove. Past tense of this verb. Second form of this verb, drive, drove, drove. Past form of the verb is used in the simple past tense. No auxiliary verb, just subject and simple past form of the verb. I drove, we drove, you drove, he, she drove, and they drove. Very simple. Simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense is very easy to identify and very easy to use also. Simple future tense. In simple future tense, shall or will, simple present form of the action verb is used. Means what form is used in simple present tense? The same verb form of action verb is used in simple future tense. Only there no auxiliary verb, and here we are using shall or will. Now I shall drive, we shall drive. Always remember I and we take shall. Whenever you are using I and we, you are supposed to use shall, and other pronouns you have to use will. So for example, I shall drive, we shall drive, you will drive, he, she, it will drive, and they will drive. These are the examples of simple future tense. So in this way, simple tenses are very easy to identify. Simple present tense, no auxiliary verb plus simple form. Simple past tense, no auxiliary verb plus simple past form. Simple future tense, shall and will plus simple present form. In this way, if you remember this structure, this method, this structure of the tenses, it is very easy to identify the tense, and it is very simple also to use in your language. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share.